Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this video, I'll explain how you can share a calendar on iPhone. Now this will only work if the one you're sharing your calendar to has an iCloud. If not, they can only see it as a public calendar. Now let's make sure your iCloud is turned on for your calendars. So go ahead and click on Settings, click on your name. Let's go ahead and open iCloud. From here, let's click on Show All. Let's look for calendars and make sure that's toggled on. When you're sharing a calendar on your Apple device, it can be shared through iCloud. That's why we have it toggled on. Now, let's go back and open our calendar app. Now from the bottom, go ahead and click on Calendars. Now let's go ahead and add a calendar that we want to share. Let's put a name on it. And you can also choose to change the color. Now once it's done, click Done, and then click on the eye icon beside the calendar that we just made. From here, you can add a person. You can even turn on or off your notifications. Now let's go ahead and add a person. You can actually add a person from your existing contacts, or you can manually put an email address. And then just click Add. Once you've added a person, it will show on the shared with list. You can add as many as you like. Now let's go ahead and click on the first person we added. You can disable or enable the editing option of the person you shared the calendar to. You'll have to wait though for this person to accept the invitation. If you choose to stop sharing, just click on Stop Sharing and remove the person. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can see here Public Calendar. So when you turn that on, you can just allow anyone to subscribe to this calendar, but they can only read it. They cannot edit it. Now, once you've turned on the public calendar, it would enable you to share a link so you can send it to whatever or however you want it to be shared. And that's about it. That's how you share a calendar on iPhone.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.